Chapter number 12. Equations in one variable. From that we have to start here. Practice set 12.1. Question number 1. Each equation is followed by the values of the variable. Decide whether these values are the solution of that equation. Here the equation is given and these are the values of the variable x. -1, then 7 and then -7. These are the values and we have to check whether these values are the solution of this equation or not. For all the examples we have to do the same thing. So first of all, let us see this first equation. It is given as x minus 4 equals to 3 and the values are x equals to -1, x equals to 7 and x equals to -7. So let us solve first the equation given to us. X minus 4 equals to 3. So we have seen the method how to solve the equation. We will add 4 to both the side. Okay. So x minus 4 equals to 3 is given here. So x minus 4 plus 4 equals to 3 plus 4. Like this we will do. So x minus 4 plus 4 will get cancelled and you will get x equals to 4 plus 3, that is x equals to 7. So this is the solution of the equation x minus 4 equals to 3. X equals to 7 is the solution of the given equation. Okay, let us see second equation. 9m equals to 81 and the values given are m equals to 3, m equals to 9 and m equals to -3. So let us solve the equation first of all. 9m equals to 81 is given to you. First of all, we will divide this equation by 9 so that this 9 will get eliminated. Okay, 9m upon m equals to 81 upon 9. 9m upon 9 equals to 81 upon 9. So this 9 will get cancelled. You will get here only m. M equals to 9 ones are 9, 9 nines are 81. So m equals to 9. So here the solution of the equation is m equals to 9. Now third equation is given as 2a plus 4 equals to 0 and the values given are a equals to 2, a equals to -2 and a equals to 1. So let us solve the equation first. 2a plus 4 equals to 0 is given. So we will subtract 4 from both the side so that this 4 will get eliminated. Okay. First of all, subtract 4 from left hand side. 2a plus 4 minus 4 equals to 0 minus 4. Okay. So 2a plus 4 and minus 4, this will get cancelled. You will get here on left hand side 2a equals to -4. Now to eliminate this 2, divide by 2. This is multiplication, 2 into a. So opposite of multiplication is division. So divide this by 2, both the sides. If you will divide by 2, then you will get here 2a upon 2 equals to -4 upon 2. 2 gets cancelled. Here on left hand side you will get a equals to 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. This is -4. So -2. A equals to -2. This is the solution. You are given the values 2, -2 and 1. So a equals to -2 is the solution of this equation. Now let us see number 4. The equation given is 3 minus y equals to 4 and the values are for the variable y equals to -1, y equals to 1 and y equals to 2. So let us solve this equation. 3 minus y equals to 4. So what you will do? You will add here y so that you will get the value of y. Okay. So on left hand side 3 minus y plus y equals to on right hand side 4 plus y. Minus y will get cancelled. You will get here only 3. 3 equals to 4 plus y. So now what we will do? We will subtract here both the side -4. Okay. So subtract 3 minus 4 equals to 4 plus y minus 4. Minus 4. 3 minus 4 is -1. 4 plus y minus 4. 4 minus 4 will get cancelled here. Only y will remain here on right hand side. So -1 equals to y. So solution of the equation is y equals to -1. Now question number 2. What is given in question number 2? Solve the following equations. Here the equations are given and you have to solve. You have to solve means you have to find the value of p. You have to find the solution of the equation. This is the meaning of solve the equation. Okay. So the equations given are, first one, 17p minus 2 equals to 49. And we have to find the solution with the help of the method we have already studied. So 17p minus 2 equals to 49. Now to eliminate this 2, what we do? We do the opposite operation. Here it is given subtraction. So subtraction ka opposite operation is addition. So add 2 to both the side, so that this 2 will get eliminated. So 17p minus 2 plus 2 equals to 49 plus 2. This 2 will get eliminated and you will get here on left hand side only 17p. That is equals to 49 plus 2 is 51. Okay. Now we have to eliminate this 17. So how to eliminate? The opposite operation of multiplication is division. So 17p equals to 51. For eliminating this 17, we will divide both the side by 17. So 17p upon 17 equals to 51 upon 17. This 17 will get cancelled. On left hand side you will get only p. P equals to 17 ones are 17, 73 is 51. So p equals to 3. P equals to 3 is the solution of the equation. Now second equation is given as 2m plus 7 equals to 9. Okay. To find the solution, what you have to do? We have to eliminate this 7. Okay. So 2m plus 7 is given here. So opposite of plus is minus. So subtract 7 from both the side. 2m plus 7 minus 7 equals to 9 minus 7. You will get here 2m. 7 will get cancelled. So 2m equals to 9 minus 7 is 2. Now eliminate this 2 from left hand side. So divide both the side by 2. You will get here 2m upon 2 equals to 2 upon 2. So 2 will get cancelled. Only m will remain here and 2 upon 2 is 1. So m equals to 1 is the solution of the given equation. Now third question. Third question is given to you as 3x plus 12 equals to 2x minus 4. So first of all we have to eliminate this 12. To eliminate this 12, what we do? Opposite of addition is subtraction. So subtract 12 from both the sides. So 3x plus 12 minus 12 equals to 2x minus 4 minus 12. So 12 will get cancelled. You will get here only 3x equals to 2x minus 4 minus 12 is minus 16. Okay, minus plus. So 12 plus 4 is 16 और बड़े नंबर की sign minus 16. 2x minus 16. Now eliminate this 2x. Okay, so to eliminate this 2x, what you will do? You will subtract this 2x from both the side. 3x minus 2x equals to 2x minus 16 minus 2x. So 3x minus 2x is x. X equals to, now 2x will get cancelled. You will get here only minus 16. So 1x equals to minus 16. So x equals to minus 16 is the solution of the given equation. Now let us see question number 4. What is given in question number 4? The equation is 5x minus 3 equals to 3 into x plus 2. 5 into x minus 3 is given. So first of all multiply this 5 by this bracket. So 5x minus 5 3s are 15. 3x plus 3 2s are 6. This is the equation now. Now add 15 to both the side to eliminate this 15. So 5x minus 15 plus 15 equals to 3x plus 6 plus 15. Minus 15 plus 15 will get cancelled. You will get here 5x equals to 3x plus 6 plus 15 is 21. 3x plus 21. Now to eliminate this 3x, subtract 3x from both the side. 5x minus 3x equals to 3x plus 21 minus 3x. So 5x minus 3x is 2x equals to 3x will get cancelled. Only 21 will remain here. Now to eliminate this 2, divide the both side by 2. So 2x upon 2 equals to 21 upon 2. So x equals to 21 upon 2. So this is the solution of the equation. Now the fifth question is 9x upon 8 plus 1 equals to 10. Now what you have to do? You have to eliminate this 8. So what you will do? Multiply it by 8. So when you will multiply this 9x upon 8 plus 1 multiplied by 8. So you have to multiply both the terms by 8. 9x upon 8 will also be multiplied by 8 and 1 will also be multiplied by 8. So 9x upon 8 multiplied by 8 plus 1 multiplied by 8 equals to 10 into 8. Okay. So what you will get the answer? This 8 and 8 will get cancelled here. So only 9x will remain and 8 into 1 is 8. So 9x plus 8 equals to 10 into 8 is 80. Subtract 8 from both the side to eliminate this 8. 9x plus 8 minus 8 equals to 80 minus 8. So 8 will get cancelled. 9x equals to 72. Now to eliminate this 9, divide both sides by 9. So 9x upon 9 equals to 72 upon 9. So 9 will get cancelled. X equals to 9 8 is 72. So x equals to 8. This is the solution of the equation.